Hello, internet friends. My name's Jeff, and this is the handle I use everywhere. And I'm here to talk to you about my Catalyst Fund 13 project, which aims to put nation state elections on the blockchain. Let's get into it. This first video is just a quick overview of what I'm planning to put out over the next couple months. So, what can you expect if you watch the rest of them? The first thing you can expect is continuous improvement. This is the first time I've ever uploaded something to YouTube, and I'm sure there will be a bit of a learning curve associated with getting that smooth. More importantly though, there will be 3 different series of videos. They'll range from narrow and practical to broad and philosophical. The narrow practical ones will assume some programming experience, whereas with the broad philosophical ones, I'll try not to assume anything. The first will be dev updates. These will be geared toward explaining how the code works for people who might want to contribute to the project or who are just interested in how it's going, but they might be pretty boring if you don't like looking at code. They'll be organized according to the Catalyst milestones. So the first set, which I've pretty much written the code for already, will be focused on ElectionGuard. Then the second set will focus on Cardano, so the smart contracts and the off-chain IPFS syncing. Then the third set will focus on integrating ElectionGuard with Cardano to make a complete demo. Then there will be what I'm calling the design series. These will start with how current in-person voting systems work. Then I'll go into how ElectionGuard works and how it can be integrated with existing in-person voting. Finally, I'll talk about my ideas for what I think could be added to or changed about it to take advantage of blockchain features. Basically, practical design considerations for this project. Finally, there's what I'm thinking of as the Big Ideas series. This is all about things that are bigger than my particular project. For example, the question of whether it's better to try to gradually improve an existing voting system or to throw it out and start over with proper digital identities. Some of them will be layperson introductions to how various kinds of cryptography work, so I'll talk about homomorphic encryption, commit reveal, threat modeling, anonymity sets, that sort of thing. Basically anything that's a little bit broad to fit in the design series. Cool, that's probably enough for now. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I'm new at this, so let me know what I'm doing well and what could be better, and you can have a large influence in shaping how this project goes.